Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my class students, class 4. So today we are taking geometry. So first of all in geometry we have point. What is a point? A point is an exact position or location in space. Now this is a point. I name it with a capital letter A. Now this is another point. I name it with capital letter D. A point is denoted with capital letter of English alphabet. Any letter you can take. Now point is, I have marked a point. Now I will name it as M. This is point M. Next we'll go to line. What is a line, students? Line, it's just a path of a moving point. It is a long straight line marked with the help of pen, pencil or a marker or a chalk on a blackboard. Now this is a line. This is a line. We donate it with this symbol for line. Now I mark 2 points on the line. We can write it as, this is a line AB. Next we'll go to ray. A ray begins with 1 point and extends in only one direction. This is a symbol for ray. It begins with the origin 1 point and begins and extends in only one direction. I tell this as ray AB. It has no definite length. It has only 1 point. Next we'll come to line segment. A line segment is a part of a line. It is denoted like this. So now I'll just draw a line like this and mark 2 points on it, that is point A and point B. This which we have definite length, which has definite length is nothing but a line segment. We tell that is AB is a line segment of this line. Now I'll show you how to draw a line segment. Place the ruler and hold it tight with one hand. This is a ruler. You take your scale, place the ruler on the plain sheet of your book and hold it tightly. Hold it tightly. Mark the point. Use a sharp pencil to mark a point A. This is a point A. We use a sharp pencil to mark the point A that coincides with O mark of the ruler. Here you can see the O mark of the ruler. Mark point B that coincides with 8 centimeters. Now I should draw a line segment of 8 centimeters. So I am just extending the point here of 8 centimeters. This is nothing but a line segment. Now they are telling you to draw a line segment of 8 centimeters. So always start from 0. I have started from 0 here and the line is extending till 8 centimeter. Mark it with capital letter A and letter B. So this is nothing but, this is a line segment AB of 8 centimeter. Given you, measure the following line segments and fill in the blanks. They have given you the line. So this is the line that maybe I have given for you. So start always from 0. Start measuring the line from 0. You have measured the line. It is 15 centimeters. Mark the points. How many centimeters it is? 15 centimeters, and name it with capital letter. Any letter it may be. It may be G and H. So the measurement of line GH equals 15 centimeters. This is the way to measure a line segment. Go to different types of lines. First we'll move to vertical lines. What are vertical lines? This is a vertical line. They travel up and up and up, down and down. This is nothing but a vertical line. I'll show you some examples. Now this is the example of vertical line. We will see many more. And another example for vertical lines. Now next is horizontal line. These are the lines that go right to left or left to right? We'll show some example for this one. You can see the window blinds here. These are nothing but horizontal lines. Slanting lines. These are the slanting lines. These are slanting or oblique lines. We can tell these lines as slanting or oblique line. Next we'll move to intersecting lines. What are intersecting lines, students? The pair of lines which meet at only one point are nothing but intersecting lines. See here, pair of lines which meet at only one point is nothing but intersecting lines. The point at which the lines meet or intersect is called as point of intersection. This is nothing but this 0 or O is nothing but point of intersection. These are the two lines, line L and line M, which meet at one point is nothing but intersecting lines. Now, this O or 0 is the point of intersection of line L or M. Next we'll move to perpendicular lines. The pair of lines in the figure 3 here, see here, figure 3 are perpendicular lines. Now see this figure, students. The pair of lines are perpendicular to each other if they meet forming a letter L. At the point of intersection are nothing but perpendicular lines. This is a perpendicular line. It meets at, see here, this is the origin O. So line M and line N meets, both also are perpendicular to each other. We can tell like this. This is nothing but perpendicular lines. Next is parallel lines. What are parallel lines? Set of lines that never meet. These two lines are taken, line L and line M. So in the figure you can see that they never meet each other, even if they are extended at both the direction. If I extend this line at this direction also, at the left hand also, at the right hand also, they never meet at same point. Such pair of lines which do not meet or intersect at any point are called as parallel lines. I'll show you some examples for this. Example for parallel line is this railway track. It extends at both the direction. You can see that it is meeting, but it is a path which is set up for race. This example, these two lines, they never meet each other. This is an example for parallel line. This road also, the yellow mark, usually the yellow mark which is there in the middle of the road, these lines never meet each other. This is an example for parallel line. Now in this exercise, look at the picture here, students, the figure that is given for you. They are telling you first one, write the name of 3 points. So what are the 3 points here? It is P, Q, R. So you should write it as P, Q, R. Next is, write the name of 3 line segments. They are telling you to write the name of 3 line segments. Which are the line segments here? P, Q, line segment is just drawn like this. Then P, R, and the last one is Q, R. That is here, PQ is one line segment, then PR is second one, and then QR is the third one. Now next question is, write the name of 2 rays. 2 rays. Which are the 2 rays here? Just observe and tell me. Yes, it is QR and QP. It is QR and QP. Next is, write the name of one line. One line is nothing but PR. Jazakallahu khair. Please complete exercise 1 and exercise 2